All right, welcome back to the class, and we're gonna talk more about safety. I got these panels I'm working on, and I'm needing to put the filler and the primer before base coat and clear coat. But remember we talked about these filters, this is a 6001, right? These, that's what they look like. There's also an expiration date that's stamped on the side of these. Right here. Gotta make sure, because sometimes you'll find someone might be selling you old stock. All right, see that? It's good till 11/20/23. And these are the pre-filters. All right? And these are the filter holder thingies. Notice I've labeled these. I'm gonna put the light back here to see better. All right. Notice how I labeled these, all right? I labeled these sanding and filler because this filter pack will be used for sanding and filler. And then if I use this for priming, I want to put priming down because the solvents going into this with the filler is different than with the primer. So once you open this up, the clock is ticking. These are the old filters. Now, these I've already been cycled through, and you see there's some crap on that. And there's also some base coat that has been run through this. I'm gonna cut this up, dissect it so we can see what's inside of it. Right now, we're not gonna put this on brand new filters because why would I wanna put dirty pre-filters on brand new filters only for these, whatever contaminants are on this filter to start getting absorbed into that? I wanna breathe fresh stuff. Remember, it's about your eyes, it's about your lungs, it's about your skin. If you don't want to protect them, that's your problem. And you'll see people on YouTube welding with no jacket on, radiation hitting their arms. Hey, that's their choice. So let's open this up. And then we're gonna tag the date on these. It's also important to tag a date so you know it was opened. Oh, this is what it looks like when we open it up. Bring it closer here. I'm using a small table today. All right. I'm gonna open this up. And keep these from getting dirty. Don't let them fall on the floor. Remember, you're trying to protect your lungs here. This is what it looks like when you open these up. Fresh ones in there. Now look at that, it's weird. Is that the manufacture date? 11/20/18. And then the outside packaging stamp is 2023/11. Is that the expiration date good till? I don't know. Then you get this piece of paper here that contains all of what you're supposed to use it with and what you're not supposed to use it with for protection. Big graph of certain things you need to follow. There's a lot there. So know what you are trying to filter out and use the appropriate filter. There's nothing worse than thinking you're protected and you're still breathing in contaminants into your lungs. The way these go on, see how it says mask side? Goes on, you want this part, looks like that, this way. This would be wrong. That's incorrect. This way. Grab a new one and just make sure that the sides here, nothing is folded. Make sure this is clean too. All right. Squeeze them together. There. And take a pen or marker. Write down the date. This is 5/10. All right. So it's 5/10. That means that's when it was opened up and it's breathing all the air, absorbing. So you better start using it and getting stuff done because the clock is ticking on that filter. There. And put it on. Make sure that's nice and clean around there too. Just one. All right, so now this is ready to be used. And at the end of the day, that can be put inside a bigger plastic bag. All right. Move the air. And seal it. Seal it shut. And don't keep it next to the paint stuff. Keep it in an area where there's nothing for it to absorb. No solvents, nothing like that. You want it to protect that mask because you got to breathe with that mask. That's your protection from breathing in crappy stuff. So, all right. Take these apart some other day, but that's it for today right now. So time to get back to work.